students, we are back on a video lecture for thermodynamics. In the previous lecture we were up to numerical calculations based on equation for work done. Two types of equations are there for work done in irreversible and work done in a reversible manner. For irreversible type of work done, equation is W equals to P delta V minus of P external into delta V. And for process of a reversible type, the work done is given as a W max, which is W max equal to minus of 2.303 nRT log of V2 by V1 or P1 by P2. Okay. So these are the forms of equation in two different cases. We have seen problems on both the type of equations. Now in present lecture we are going to continue with the problem based on same equation for work done, and next to that we will move to the thermodynamic terms, which is internal energy and enthalpy content of the system. To prior to that, we would complete the numericals on this segment. We are going to conduct the last two problems which are of a different type for both of these type of equation. Okay. First we will see work done in a cyclic process when it is of a P delta V type. Okay. And for that we would draw a diagram to obtain work done in a cyclic process. Now suppose the question is determine work done in given cyclic process in liter atmosphere. Question is to find out work done in a given cyclic process, particularly in a liter atmosphere unit system. Okay. The cyclic progress is a plot between pressure versus volume. Pressure is measured in atmosphere and volume is measured in liters. A cyclic plot is a rectangular progress starting from point A in a clockwise direction. C, D are the points of it. Progress is clockwise, represented by arrows on the edges of rectangle. Okay. The pressure on a vertical coordinate and volume is plotted on horizontal coordinate. The pressure corresponding to point A is a 2 atmosphere and at the point B it is 4 atmosphere. Volume corresponding to point A is a 3 liter and that at D is a 5 liter. So 3, 5, 2 and 4, these are the magnitudes of pressure and volume. Okay. Question is to find out P delta V type of work done in it. Now when we consider a cyclic progress, work done in an entire cycle, this will be equal to work done along AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So work of given cycle is equals to work of AB plus work of BC plus work of a CD and finally work for a DA. 4 edges of rectangle representing 4 different steps in this cyclic progress, and work done in each step is represented as WAB for that edge, DA for the last edge. Now we need to find out work done in individual steps, then take the summation of them, and finally we will get work in an entire cyclic progress. Now for this particular change of AB, A to B. Value of pressure is a 2 and at point B it is 4. So pressure is changing. Volume at point A is a 3. Volume at point B again is 3. So we can say along AB V is constant. Now because volume is constant, change in volume is 0 and therefore work along AB is equal to 0. First step in cyclic progress, work along AB, and that is 0. Next thing, parallel to AB is a CD step. Along the CD, pressure at point D is a 2 atmosphere and at point C it is 4 atmosphere. Clear? At D 2 and at C it is 4. So pressure is changing. Volume at point D is a 5. Again the volume at point C is a 5. Means along CD again volume V is a constant. Therefore work done along CD will be again 0. So along CD volume V is constant. Delta V along this step is 0 and therefore work for a CD step, this is also 0. म्हणजे जे व्हॅल्यू आपण कन्क्ल्यूड करू शकतो ते आपण नोट करून घेतले. आता इथून पुढं बाकीचे जे व्हॅल्यू आहे आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागेल. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज अलॉन्ग BC. Along BC, pressure at point B is a 4, that at point C is again 4. This means pressure P is constant. Now when pressure is constant, work done is minus P delta V type. At constant pressure, W is equals to minus of P delta V, which can be taken as minus of P into V2 minus V1. Clear? Now V2 is a final volume, means a volume for BC at a final stage, means at the point C, it is 5. V1 is a 3. So V2 is 5, V1 is 3 and constant pressure P is a 4. We have three values for step BC: final volume, initial volume and magnitude of constant pressure. Now place in the equation. So work along BC will be minus of pressure 4, V2 5 minus V1 3, and on further solving it will be minus 4 into 2 means minus 8. So work for a step BC is equals to minus 8 liter atmosphere, because volume is taken in liter and pressure is taken in atmosphere. So work done becomes liter atmosphere. Likewise, we will calculate work done in DA step. So this one is the third step and the fourth step is along DA. Now at point D, volume is 5. At point A, volume is 3. At point D, pressure is 2 and for A again 2. So along DA, pressure P is constant and this constant pressure P is equals to 2 atmosphere. Okay. Now volume V1, we are moving from D to A. So initial volume is the volume 5 liter. V1 5 and final volume V2 is a 3. Means along DA, there is a compression, volume is decreasing, and along BC it was expansion, volume increased from 3 to 5. Little difference is there. Now we would calculate work along DA. It is minus of pressure, so minus of 2 into final volume 3 minus initial volume 5. So it is minus 2 into minus 2 minus minus plus, and it becomes plus 4 liter atmosphere. Okay. So out of 4 stages, along 2 steps work done is 0, and after along 2 steps work done in a one-off step is a negative minus 8 liter atmosphere, and along other step it is positive plus 4 liter atmosphere. If we take work done for entire cyclic process, then work of cycle is equal to work of AB, which is 0, plus work of BC, here it is minus 8, plus work of CD, this is again 0, and work of DA, this is plus 4. Taking the summation minus 8 plus 4, it becomes minus 4 liter atmosphere. So for this given cyclic progress, work done in a liter atmosphere is a minus 4 liter atmosphere. Clear? This is about the solution of the question. Now we have one more theoretical conclusion for this numerical. And what that conclusion is, for a P delta V type of equation, we have seen a sign conventions. When work done is negative, it means it is a work of expansion type, and when work done is a positive, that means it is a work of a compression type. This was a general convention. Now here we have negative work done, so this means that there is expansion, but this particular process is a cyclic. Now when process is a cyclic, it means initial and final volume are same. So negative work done doesn't mean there is a change in a volume, or positive work done doesn't mean there is a change in volume, because volume is going to be constant finally after all steps. So it is incorrect to say that if W is negative for a cyclic process, then it is a work done it is a work done in expansion type, or if work done is positive, then it is a work done in a compression type. That will be scientifically incorrect, because the process is cyclic and V1 and V2 are the same value, initial and final volume are the same. So beyond that, we have one more theoretical conclusion. Now for a cyclic progress, here we have work done negative for a cyclic process. We would draw a conclusion, if W is negative, the work done negative असेल, that means it is clockwise cycle. जर आपण हा सेम प्रोग्रेस अँटी क्लॉकवाईज कन्सिडर केला असतं, starting from A, B, C and here it is D. Along these two edges, for this particular progress A to D, the magnitude of work done what we calculated in a DA type was a plus 4, which would have been minus 4 for anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise मध्ये ह्या एजच्या along work done minus 4 झालं असतं आणि ह्या एजच्या along work done plus 8 राहिलं असतं. जे सध्या -8 आणि +4 आहे, ह्यांचे साइन रिव्हर्स झाले असते आणि ह्या दोघांची समेशन म्हणजे नेट वर्क डन पॉझिटिव्ह भेटला असतं. हे दोन्ही साइड तर झिरोज आहे ऑल टाइम इन अ क्लॉकवाइज और इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. इन बोथ द वेज वर्क डन अलॉन्ग दीज टू वर्टिकल स्टेजेस और वर्टिकल एजेस ऑफ द रेक्टँगल विल बी 0. पण A to D किंवा D to A हे साइन इन्वर्ट होतं, B2C or C2B, दिस विल इन्वर्ट द साइन, अँड फ्रॉम दॅट जर हे असं अँटी क्लॉकवाईज आलेलं असतं तर नेट वर्क डन पॉझिटिव्ह. हे सध्या क्लॉकवाईज आहे तर नेट वर्क डन निगेटिव्ह आहे. So the conclusion we have is, if W is negative then it is a clockwise cycle, or if it is a clockwise cycle then work done is negative for it. And second, if W is positive then it is anti-clockwise cycle. सायक्लिक प्रोग्रेसमध्ये साइन ऑफ वर्क डन एक्सपान्शन किंवा कंप्रेशन डिसाइड नाही करत, तर हे डिसाइड करतं मोड ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन. मोड ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन इन द सेन्स वेदर इट इज इन अ क्लॉकवाइज सायक्लिक प्रोसेस or it is in anti-clockwise cyclic progress. Okay. Clear? Note this one. It was quite a different type of a question, which is based on work done in a P delta B type. Okay. Now next to this, we would note the question first and then see what is difference in a previous questions and the present one. Now next to the present one, we would move to the question which is based on W max type. A theoretical and different question it is. 1 mole of an ideal gas compressed isothermally and reversibly. Question is 1 mole of ideal gas is compressed isothermally and reversibly at 293 Kelvin at 293 kelvins. Initial pressure of 150 Pascal and work done is 1.245 kilojoule. Initial pressure is 150 kilopascal and work done is 1.245 kilojoule. Bigger value these are. Find final pressure. Find final pressure. Little different question it is, but involves a calculation with log and anti-log, and for that we have selected this question. Okay. Now for the question we would write first what the values are provided, and then we will move to which equation we will use and how we will calculate the value of final pressure. Let us erase this one. Okay. Now moving through the question, what is provided? 1 mole of ideal gas it is. Value of small n, it is 1 mole. Next, compressed isothermally and reversibly at temperature 293 kelvins. Initial pressure means value of P1 150 kilopascal and work done. Now this work done is a W max. Why? Because process is isothermal and reversible, and it is 1.245 kilojoule. SI unit of work done is a joule, so provided work done should be considered in a joule. Next, SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal, so provided pressure should be taken in a Pascal, but it is provided in kilopascals. We need not to change the pressure, because equation whatever we will use, that involve ratio of pressure P1 by P2. If we are taking a ratio, we need not to change any of the unit, just make them in a same system. तर ह्या केसमध्ये आपण प्रेशरसाठी युनिट 150 किलो पास्कल ॲज इट इज टू, जे आन्सर भेटेल ते पण किलो पास्कलमध्ये भेटेल, ह्याला चेंज करण्याची गरज नाही आहे. नाव रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन वी हॅव इज W max equal to minus 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2. P1 is given and P2 we are about to find. तर ह्यात आपण व्हॅल्यू ठेवून देऊ, पुन्हा पाहू कॅल्क्युलेशन काय करता येईल. ना मॅक्सिमम वर्क डन इज 1.245 किलो जूल, ज्याला जूल्समध्ये घेऊ आपण 1245 minus 2.303 n value 1, value of R this should be 8.314, temperature 298.93 kelvins it is, into log of P1 value 150, P2 we are about to find. Okay, so these are the values. तर ह्या केसमध्ये आपण रेफर करू कॅल्क्युलेटेड व्हॅल्यूज काय आहे, फक्त थोडंसं रिअरेंजमेंटवर लक्ष द्या. तर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं लॉग P2 लॉग ऑफ 150 डिवायडेड बाय P2 साठी कॅल्क्युलेशन घ्यायचं आहे, कारण P2 आपण फाइंड करणार आहे. तर एंटायर जे टर्म्स आहेत हे ह्याच्या डिनॉमिनेटरला येतील. सो 1245 divided by this minus 2.303 into 1 into 8.314, simply 8.314 into 293. So on further solving for log 150 divided by P2 value, the calculation on a left hand side, right hand side, this will be a negative number because denominator is with a negative sign, and this fraction we have a theoretical solved value of it. The calculation is minus 0.2219. Now perform this calculation either by calculator or log table and check the value whether it is the same or not. Okay. Now log 150 by P2 is equal to this. Our objective is to find out P2, so we need to take this log and 150 on right hand side. तो पहिल्यांदा आपण log ला ट्रान्सफर करू. Are you getting this? Because this is entirely in a log, so first we need to transfer the log. On transferring log, it will become anti-log. So on left hand side we will be with 150 by P2, and on right hand side it is anti-log of minus 0.2219. ॲक्च्युली आता ह्याला आपण सिग्निफिकंट फिगर्समध्ये 0.222 करून थोडं कन्व्हिनियंट कॅल्क्युलेशन करू शकतो, पण निगेटिव्ह नंबरचा अँटीलॉग कसं घेता येईल? कॅन वी हॅव द लॉग और अँटीलॉग फॉर निगेटिव्ह नंबर? नो, आपल्याला निगेटिव्ह नंबरचा अँटीलॉग घेतच येत नाही. तर नंबर्सला पहिल्यांदा बार फॉर्ममध्ये चेंज करावं लागेल. This minus 0.2219, this has to be converted in a bar form, आणि बार फॉर्ममध्ये डेसिमलच्या लेफ्टला आपण -1 ॲड करतो आणि राईट हँड साईडला +1 ॲड करतो. तर जेव्हा आपण इथं +1 ॲड करू इन अ minus 0.2219, we would get some value, and -1 added to -0 we would get -1. तर ह्याचा जो बार फॉर्म येईल अँटीलॉग तो येईल बार 1. minus 1 added. Now plus 1 added to right hand side, it becomes 0.78. 0.22 consider करतो आपण just, so it is 0.78. Enough it is. हे लक्षात येतं का पहा? हे रफ कॅल्क्युलेशन घेऊ आपण. -0.22 -1 added to this part plus 1 added to the next part, -0 -1, so it becomes bar 1, point as it is, plus 1. 0.22 is with negative sign, so 0.22 and plus 1, it is simply 1 minus 0.22, which is 0.78. So point is here and 78 written next to it. So bar 1.78 is an bar form of this digit. Okay. हे एक रफ कॅल्क्युलेशन आहे आणि ह्या कॅल्क्युलेशनसाठीच आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम पाहतोय. ह्या टाईपचं कॅल्क्युलेशन pH अँड H+ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनमध्ये पण येतं, विच इन्व्हॉल्व्स antilog of minus of pH. Okay, now take the antilog for this number. While taking antilog of bar 1.78, we need to look out for 0.78 is a log of which number, and which is close to 6 value. The calculated value we have is 6, and this term goes to the power of 10. So minus 1 goes to power of 10, 10 raised to minus 1 and 6. 150 divided by P2 is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 1, which means 0.6. So P2 is equals to what? It is 150 by 0.6. On solving, it will be 1500 divided by 6, and further 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30, and 250 kilopascal. So when we started with 150 kilopascal, we have to increase the pressure up to 250 kilopascals to perform work done of 1245 joules in a reversible change when temperature is 293 and 1 mole of gas is present. So this was the question. Little different, quite different in a way of calculation it is. Numerical calculation साठी आपण frequently भरपूर questions solve करू शकतो. We have seen all possible types of questions. The various variety of questions are there. We have conducted them. Now practice them for various numerical, and then we would move to the next part. So present video मध्ये आपण थांबू. We have completed with equations for work done and numerical calculations based on work done in both the types, for irreversible as well reversible changes. Now next to this, we are going to start with thermodynamic terms, internal energy and enthalpy, and then we will move to the part which is based on enthalpy changes for the processes. So present मध्ये आपण थांबू. Thank you.